Hi, I'm Brett Pavir with TRC, and welcome to our Heat Pump Boss series, Level Up Your Heat Pump Installs. We've got the tools, tips, and how-tos that will help make you an expert heat pump installer. Today, we're going to focus on proper care, so let's dive right in. In this video, we'll cover simple and effective tips for maintaining your air source heat pump, from cleaning filters and keeping outdoor units free from debris to maintaining duct registers and scheduling regular service. Heat pumps need unimpeded airflow to work, which means, for one, they need a clean filter. For ductless split systems, vacuum or rinse the filters regularly. Manufacturers advise doing this monthly, but homeowners can easily remove filters and wipe them clean whenever they become visibly dirty. For ducted systems, filters located at or near the air handler should be washed or replaced approximately every 90 days. Although this depends on the filter size, the type, and the thickness, so always refer to your manufacturer's recommendations for exact replacement and maintenance guidelines. For both types of systems, homes with pets or other sources of indoor air particles may need to have their filters cleaned more often. Keeping the outdoor unit clear of obstructions is essential for maintaining proper airflow and efficiency. Throughout the year, clear away leaves, shrubbery, or other debris located on or around the outdoor unit. After significant snowfall, clear snow and ice from the outdoor unit to prevent blockages. Restricted airflow reduces efficiency and capacity, so regular checks are key to keeping your system running smoothly. For homes with ducted systems, you also need to keep the home's ducted supply and return floor and wall registers clean and clear. Clean your floor and wall registers annually to eliminate any accumulation of dust or dirt. Also make sure no one has covered them with rugs or furniture. Blocked registers can create an imbalance to the entire duct system, leading to inconsistent room temperatures and inefficient system operation. To ensure your heat pump continues to operate efficiently, schedule regular servicing with a qualified technician. Most manufacturers recommend servicing every 1 to 2 years, so consult your manufacturer's specifications or warranty information for specific required service intervals. During a service visit, the technician should check refrigerant charge, inspect for leaks, verify airflow, clean the indoor and outdoor coils, and inspect the condensate drain and condensate drain pan for obstructions. They should also check electrical terminals, seal any duct leaks, ensure that the refrigerant lines are still properly insulated and UV protected, and confirm proper thermostat settings. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of the heat pump, but also saves money on operating costs. As you have just learned, simple steps can maintain a heat pump. This saves energy, money, but even better, ensures consistent comfort within your home. If you'd like to learn more, visit cleanheatconnect.newyork.gov to discover additional maintenance-related resources, as well as tips on offering service plans to your customers to improve and increase your business's offerings. Maintaining your air source heat pump doesn't have to be complicated. For more detailed guidance, check out the Air Source Heat Pump Maintenance Tip for Homeowners PDF. It provides recommended intervals and reasons for each maintenance task. Thanks for diving in with us on this topic, Level Up Your Heat Pump Installs. Remember, we're here for you at cleanheatconnect.newyork.gov with more videos, resources, guides, and best practices. Hope to see you in our other sessions as we complete better installations together, one project at a time.